If only I knew how to do this. If only I had studied harder. If only someone would help me learn English. Have you ever heard this sentence structure before? We're using if only to express a wish that something would be different. So are you ready to learn how to form and use this type of sentence in English? Well then, watch this video. So, like I said a moment ago, we use if only as a way to express that we wish something could be different. I would say it's a little bit stronger than I wish, but it's used in a very similar way. So we can use it to talk about the present, the past, and the future in English, but only for unreal conditions. Let's start with the present. So we use if only plus the past tense verb to talk about the present. If only you didn't live so far away. If only we left a little earlier. If only they could hear how horrible they sound. These are all talking about present things. So I am presently sad that you live so far away. If only you didn't live so far away. We are presently late because we did not leave on time. If only we had left a little earlier. Or I am presently suffering because they sound horrible. If only they could hear how horrible they sound. It's pretty straightforward, but let's do a little thing here. I will give you a sentence with I wish, and you change it to a sentence with if only. So, I wish I knew what to do. Do you know how to say this with if only? I wish I knew what to do. If only I knew what to do. See, they're almost the same. So using the past, talking about the present. Also note that sometimes we use the word were instead of was in slightly more formal situations. So if only I was taller, if only I were taller, they mean the same thing. If only he was more experienced, if only he were more experienced, same thing. Okay, let's continue on to the past now. So we use if only plus a past perfect form to talk about something that has already happened that we wish were different. So if only I'd studied harder. If only she'd called me sooner. If only we'd saved more money. Again, this is the same structure as with wish. I wish I'd studied harder. I wish she'd called me sooner. I wish we'd saved more money. Pretty easy, right? Let's move on to the future now. So to talk about a wish for the future, or to contrast between how things are and how we would like them to be, we use if only plus would or could in the infinitive, without to. If only I could buy a huge mansion. If only you would stop seeing that guy. Seeing someone means dating or starting a relationship with. If only I could quit smoking. Again, this is the same structure as with wish. I wish I could buy a huge mansion. I wish you would stop seeing that guy. I wish I could stop smoking. See, it's super easy, right? I told you it's really not bad. Using if only instead of just I wish in English will definitely make your English sound much more like a native speaker. It's also great for more formal situations. And like I said, it's a little stronger, so it's a little more dramatic. And sometimes you need that when you're speaking, especially at a B2 level like you guys are at. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a little something. If you want a little practice, we have an app. In the app, you'll get a worksheet for this video, along with tons of interactive exercises to go along with this video and all the videos we make at Lingoni. We go from A1 all the way to B2 and offer not only lessons, but also vocab trainings and podcasts, pronunciation tool, and so much more to help you improve your English. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the app, or we'll see you just in our next video.